Guys, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi, your corporate here. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video, guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to delete products from cart on Pinduoduo step by step without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about channel importation, you get notified. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as this importation tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So without wasting much of our time, so let's get started. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is to head over to your Pinduoduo app. Here, this is my Pinduoduo app, so I'm going to click on it right away. So when you open up your Pinduoduo app, the next thing you have to do is to click on here now. Okay, you click on here to access your profile. Then when you get to your profile, you have to click on here. That's where all the products you have added to cart, that's where it's located. So when you open up this place, so it's all the products in your cart is going to open up this way. Okay, so for you to delete any product from this cart, all you have to do is to click on this point, this top right here. Click on there. So when you click on that, it's going to open up this way. So for you to select a product that you will need to delete, all you have to do is to tap here to select the product you want to delete. So when you tap on that, so having ticked the product from here, so you have ticked it from here, you have to come down below here and click here to delete the product. So I'm going to click on that now. So finally, you have to click here to confirm the product. You see that the product has been successfully deleted from this point right here. So guys, this is how you delete product from cart on Pinduoduo step by step without wasting much of our time. So this is what I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.